Hi, and it's Unicorn Brain. Well, this is my first episode. Not episode. This is my first Animal Jam video, and this is my first video on this account. So I am my username is Unicorn Brain. I'll show you my den in a second, and this has really bad audio. Don't worry. I'll get another one later. And I just got a founder's hat by trading a yellow long collar and a purple long wristband. So I want to see what world I'm in. I'm usually in I'm always in that world. Oh, wait a second. I just remembered something. I teleported to my friend. Okay, now I feel really stupid. So I am going to... Oh! There she is right now. Sorry. I'm telling you that I'm recording. And so yeah. She's also a YouTuber. And a big shout out to her, gift her. It's Katie70406. And yeah. Oh, so I just got a Jamagram. Do you think my spike is fair for a rare head? Okay, no, it's worth more. Oh, I don't like doing Animal Jam Jamagrams. It is so I usually don't put in my sound like that, and yeah. So I'm going to probably do mail time if I get any gifts next video. So shout out to Fuzzy Fuzz, Hamster Lover 88950. Yeah, you could read that. Pause it or something. Hope Fight Cancer, Katie, which I already did. Koala Plus, Rainy Leaf, XX Nylon Cat, Overlord XX, which is really weird. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you my den. I'll come back to her. I feel kind of bad though. And I'll also do an inventory thing. So, here's my den. I'll show you around. I'm not that rare or beta. I mean, you could say that, but it's not true. I just got that. And I have that. Here's all my pets. And here's that thing. If you've never seen it before, I will show you what it does. It's really fun. I like playing with it. Oh, dang it. Cut off my pet. Who the heck cuts off a freaking fox? Sorry, I forgot it was cod. Yeah. And I would show you what's, what's over here, but, it's kind of boring. 1 mil. A firework, which is the only good thing over here, and a fruit bowl. Right there is that. So now I'm going to show you in my inventory. I'll start off with my clothes, even though I have a lot of them. So, the founder's hat, Yeti mask, gingerbread top hat, spike collar. You could just look around. I don't want to name all of it. I don't want to name 195 things. That'd be strange. As you see, I'm not a valuable account. The only good thing I have is my founders. And I'll show you my den inventory. I just got these plaid couches for a black top hat. I'll show you around. Oh yeah, if you hear that sound in the background, that's just my friend Natalie doing something.
Yeah, I'm brushing ponies.
She's brushing ponies apparently. And yeah, oh, I guess I have a buddy. Who are you? Who are you? That's Hamster Lover. Hi. I'm recording. Say hi. I said that weird. I don't even know what I said. If you know what I said, then you can comment that. Okay, I'm recording. See. Well, yeah. Shout out to her. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Bye.